That's my chicken. I'm finna show y'all how I season up my chicken. It's under a paper plate. Okay, so I get a handful of olive oil. I don't even measure it, I just get a handful and I grease this baby up, right? Turn it over, the same hands. It's gonna grease it up real nice. Gonna give it that golden crisp to a nice golden, sexy golden brown look. And grease it up real nice, right? And we're gonna stuff it with some rice and stuff later. Now you can get a little bit for the inside, just a little bit. For the inside and the back. It's probably weird to you, but if you want a good tasting bird, this is what you have to do. All right, and then I give it a little, actually we can give it a little, cut it. And so the juices and stuff can float right down there, nice and good. Then we're gonna flip, actually we're gonna hit it from the side first. Hit it from the side. Hold on. Oh. It's like brutality. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and flip this over. Stab up real good. Now when you get a nice, evenly stabbing going on, you're gonna flip her back over. Gonna make sure she's still greased up, right? And then this way you finna get out your honey. Where's my honey? Guys, I can't find my honey. Hold on. Fuck is my honey at? Okay, it's down here. All right, you're gonna hit it with some honey, right? Nice even amount too, so you can be able to have it nice and honey sweet all over. All right, hit it with a little bit more. Now, after you do that, you just make sure she's nice and seasoned all over, and then now it's time to start adding the seasoning. All right. So first we're gonna add some pepper. I'll pepper up real good. Now it's time to add some salt. Add some salt to it, flip it over, add some more salt. Now, gonna rub that in a little bit. Add a little bit of this right here, this stuff. Just a little bit too. You don't want a lot. Just a little bit. Oh shit. Just a little bit. On both sides, of course. So I'm rubbing it on that side. Then next we're gonna get some Next, we're gonna get some garlic salt. Then you're gonna sprinkle an even amount on it. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, we got some garlic salt. There you go, sprinkle some on that side, and then flip it over. Sprinkle some of that on that side. Make sure you get all in the crevices too. All right, so that's your garlic salt. All right, so next you're gonna put some chili powder. Just a little bit, not even a lot. Just a light coat of chili powder. Make sure y'all guys be getting those arms and legs too. All right, so far we got chili powder, and then with sage, You're gonna give it a pinch of sage, right? Just on the back though. A pinch of sage. Alright? And then you're gonna use some thyme on both sides. Oh, yeah. Or some thyme, but I don't know what the fuck it's called. So you're gonna sprinkle that on both sides of it. Make sure you be getting them legs and everything too. Look like I ain't got no seasoning on my legs, but it's there. Huh? Next you're gonna get some.
I was playing with my cousin, but I don't know where is he.
Alright, I'm gonna come help y'all in a second. Okay? I'm a little bit of seasoning in my chicken. Next you're gonna get some Italian rice. Perfect pinch. Then you're gonna hit both sides of the chicken with that. 2 little pinches on both sides, I'm gonna say.
Is this gonna be spicy?
No spicy, baby. I'm gonna fix it nice and juicy for you. Trying to help and fix it so you can eat something before you leave.
It's so funny.
Alright, so you're gonna sprinkle that Italian on both sides. Then next you're gonna get some. Look, my son just asked me whether it's gonna be spicy. So this the spicy stuff.
No.
This the spicy stuff right here though. This the cayenne pepper. This is what you're gonna do.
No.
Light tap on one side. Shut up, crazy. Then you're gonna light tap on the other side. Alright. Make sure you get all in between there. Alright. Then you're gonna get
But it smells like tacos.
and then we're gonna get the 2 main ingredient flavors right now. So these are 2 main ingredient flavors, and then to make it a little bit more sweet, we're gonna add some brown sugar. Do you wanna add the brown sugar?
What it tastes like?
Taste it. Taste it. It's sugar, but it's brown. Look. Lick it. Lick it. It's brown sugar. See? So with the brown sugar, same thing. We're gonna add a light little flavor on that. Make sure you get all between that. Get a little more brown sugar for the back. Excuse me, baby. Gonna flip that baby over. Get some brown sugar on the back.
What?
Alright, so we're gonna season this baby up nice and seasoned. This is how you season a real chicken, alright? So next we're gonna add the main ingredient flavors,
taste that brown again.
Which is these 2, the garlic and herb. Actually, we ain't gonna add no garlic and herb. Like we're gonna add some bacon chipotle.
Let me taste the brown thing.
This is what we add the bacon chipotle.
Let me taste that thing again.
Brown sugar? Hold on, I'm gonna leave a little piece for you. There you go. Alright, so our main ingredient is gonna be bacon chipotle. I thought I bought something else, but I didn't. So we just got bacon chipotle, alright? So with the bacon chipotle, actually fuck it, we're gonna add some Italian and herbs. This one and this one, fuck it. Why not? Alright, so we're gonna add a pinch of this. And then on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. Add a pinch of that. Make sure you get in there good. Now with the bacon chipotle, you're gonna sprinkle that over there real good. This is the good stuff right here. So you're gonna sprinkle that in. Nice amount. You're gonna flip it over. Same thing. Now watch this. Let me show you what you're gonna have. So it's gonna be perfect. Now you have a full seasoned chicken. Can't go wrong with this, right? Alright. Look, we gonna add a little more. You know what? Since we added brown sugar, we don't need to add no more honey. So we good now. Since it's good like this, now we can start adding. Wait, hold on. Excuse me, guys.
Why you put that again?
We got us a nice bird right there. Now, time to add in the vegetables and stuff. All right, so we waiting on the rice to get done. So we're gonna just stuff the bird now.
Why do you put all that weird stuff in there?
Put some celery in there. Some onions in there.
Onions.
Throw in
onions.
some meat. Throw in some tomatoes.
Onion.
And what else?
I'm a onion.
Some bell peppers.
Can I eat one?
That's all gonna make flavor for my rice, so I'm not really tripping on it. To make vegetable rice. Mm-hmm. Oh shit. So this is my flavor for my rice. And then we're gonna add in. Hold on.
This tastes good.
Girl, you can have another one.
No, I don't need one.
So we're gonna use these to sprinkle in some flavor on the outside. Look, you can also stick the vegetables in the holes too. Now that's why I like the holes too. You can stick the vegetables down there. Alright. So we're gonna sprinkle in some onions. Don't forget the bottom too, so we can get that flavor on the bottom. We get some nice flavors on the bottom. And then let me show you, like there's some tomatoes. You crunch those up. Oh shit. Gonna preheat the oven for 450? No, for 400. Now that's ready to go in the oven, easy.
I let him get on the floor, Tatum. He's awake.
And then you can use a little bit of this to put over the top in case you knock a little bit of seasoning off with the tomatoes. Just a light seasoning. There you go, bam. Now that's ready for the oven. And then our rice on the stove cooking. But bam, that's how it is. And I use every vegetable that I had in my fridge left for my boys.